The CPM Concept and its Products by CHT. CHT explains how to formulate release agents with our Hansa release additives after the clean, hardened mold concept, abbreviated as CPM Concept, which was developed to reduce residues while casting. The sticking point which causes residues while casting is the mold temperature. The bigger the cast, the higher the required temperature. With increasing temperatures, a higher percentage of additives for the thickness of the release film is needed, which subsequently leads to relatively more residues on the casts. How do we help you minimize these residues? With our CPM concept and the use of our products, you can achieve that your amount of residues in metal die casting shrinks by about 60% compared to other release agents. But how? At higher temperatures, more residue-causing release agent additives are necessary, meaning, with the CPM concept, you need 50% polymers or silicones with supplementary 50% from the products of our CPM concept, which adhere well to metal due to their very high polarity. If you formulate at a lower mold temperature, the amount of the residue-causing polymers and silicones can be lowered to 25% and complemented by 75% of our CPM concept products. You can minimize the amount of residues even further with the following outstanding solution. Replace half of the usually needed residue-causing polymers or silicones with our specifically developed Hansa release R8160, a polypropylene emulsion which causes only a tenth of the residues compared to other additives. Simply complete the release agent formulation, which contains our polypropylene emulsion, with the Hansa release products after the previously explained CPM concept, and start molding. Now you can produce your metal casts in better quality for post-production, like galvanizing, coating, and gluing. If you want to know more about the CPM concept and our Hansa release products, feel free to contact us.